Hello, welcome to GBS. Just going to have a look at a factory built. We're just at the final stages of assembly, bits of backfront paint, all the anodised components here, so we thought we'd just have a look at the spec. It's a really nice one. So we're running the 2.5 litre Ford Duratec. So this is genuine Ford engine. Then we've got all our own ATR components on, which is all the alley pulleys, idlers, the nice little bolt caps, oil housing on the front, which will have our oil cooler. We've got our new shortened sumps that now are available on kit spares. We've gone for the billet light and flywheel we've made. And then we've got a 4-paddle clutch on there, cover plate. It's got all the water rail on. It'll have the 4-branch exhaust. And then on the car, it's a standard body zero, but it's got the full FIA cage. So with our FIA cage, it's fully integrated. So it's not a bolt on, it's not an afterfit, it is actually part of the chassis. And it comes all down, it's got all the side intrusion bars and everything all built into the chassis. We're running twin brake cylinders, so we've got full bias brakes on this. All the aluminium panels are bonded on as normal, so you've got the full rigidity there. This customer's having it as a road and track day car, so it's not full out and out race, so it's a bit of both. We're then having all our ATR components, which are matching in the orange of the chassis, so we've gone the custom powder coat. So we've got the 4-part ATR billet calipers, our ATR hubs, we've got the wheel speed sensor. We're running the speed sensor into the ECU on this. We're going to have traction launch control. That's all run through the Life ECU. We've got the throttle bodies going on. Again, we've picked out the anodising colours with the orange. Just done these really nice blanking plugs for when you're working on the engine, just to save anything getting in. And then the ATR dampers. And then also on this something quite special. It's about the third one we've done now, but going with the full Sadev 6-speed sequential. These are an awesome bit of kit. The gear change, everything, especially when coupled to the flat shift, it is just flat out pulling it through the gears. It really is quite awesome. As I say, that's then running on the lightweight clutch, paddle clutch and everything, a full hydraulic clutch on there. So really nice setup. We're also, this car will be one of the first now to have the new exhaust. So we've done our stainless steel ATR exhaust, but we've had it fully ceramic coated. So this is the proper ceramic coat, so it's all shot blasted, coated and everything. Not only does it look really cool, but it also helps keeping the temperatures down by about 30%. So that's going on this car. We're going to do a separate video looking at this. We've got the thermal imaging camera and we'll do some back-to-backs. But that's just a bit of an overview of the car and the spec, and then as we start putting together over the next couple of weeks, we'll do a few more videos showing you how it's going together, and then a road test and drive at the end. But thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.